Hey there, what did you find? Did you find an egg? All of those eggs got candy in them for you. What's that? Do you need something to put your eggs in? Here, Mommy will hold it for you. How about this? How about this? Want to put eggs in this? There you go. You can put all your candies in there. What about this candy? I'll put it in there for you. That one's a little harder. Want Mommy to open it? Just put it down. Hi. There you go. You can put all your marshmallows in here. I'm not taking them. You're just gonna pull them apart. Why don't you put your marshmallows in here so you can eat them later? Here, try this one. Bless you. Oh, snot bubble. Ew. Guess Mommy needs to get you a tissue.